Hi folks, good to be with you once again. I'm meteorologist Miguel Montoya from the One News Weather Center. Your weather forecast is being brought to you by your Bud Clary Toyota dealer, Toyota. Let's go places. These are the headlines making news along the Columbia Basin. Temperatures have cooled, so we get the heat out of the region being replaced with daytime highs in the 80s and overnight lows in the 50s, low to mid 50s tonight here in Ephrata. As a matter of fact, maybe some shower activity by Friday. The question is, will it carry over into the weekend? You will have an answer to that in a minute when we get to our extended forecast. But first, let's talk about what's happened here in Ephrata during the last 24 hours. You woke up to temperatures in the middle 60s this morning, which is slightly above normal for this time of year. Made it to the middle 80s this afternoon, which is right on targets. Check the sunset out, a dead giveaway that fall is right around the corner, 8:01 p.m. here in Ephrata tonight. Moses Lake temperatures were in the middle 60s this morning. You also made it into the middle 80s this afternoon, which is near normal for this time of year. Still sitting in the 80s at the present time with a few breaks of sunshine, dew points in the 40s, and we do have a westerly to southwesterly wind at about 10 to 11 miles per hour. Now, we did see some shower activity today, especially along the inland northwest. That will shift out of the region as we head through the overnight hours. Will leave us with some sunshine across our state on Thursday, but I am watching two things that will affect our weather over the next couple of days. First, we have this upper level low spinning just off the coastline, which will work through the northwestern U.S. between Thursday night and Friday. At the same time, we have a much cooler air mass coming out of British Columbia and Alberta, Canada, which will cause the winds to go east and northeast along our state on Friday, as a matter of fact. So that means a lot of cloudiness along with some shower activity. We'll be able to squeeze out even more rain along the eastern slopes of the Cascades with those east to northeasterly winds. Some orographic lift going on across that region. On Thursday across our state, well, we do get that storm system out of the region for the weekend, so conditions are forecast to improve. Now let's carry over to Thursday, see what we can expect. Some coastal fog in the morning. Temperatures in the 60s and 70s along coastal communities, 80s across the Columbia Basin, so temperatures will be near normal for this time of year with a fair amount of sunshine. It does cloud up Thursday night, and we could see some rain on Friday. It clears for the weekend, and then we could turn hot by Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. Well, folks, your weather forecast was brought to you by your Bud Clary Toyota dealer, Toyota. Let's go places. Now, as usual, we will be right back with sports.